At this point in time, we're going to give the certificate of ordination. But before we give the certificate of ordination, we will read the citation. The Commission of Seventh-day Adventists certificate of ordination, whereas having been examined under the provisions for an elder at Davao Central Church and reviewed of his knowledge, gifts, and confirmation of his commitment to Jesus Christ in the Seventh-day Adventist Church, we hereby ordain Andrew B. Garcia as an elder of the Seventh-day Adventist Church. The formation individual is hereby authorized to perform the full sacramental duties of an elder in accordance with the Bible and the Seventh-day Adventist Church Manual. Given this February 7, 2025, officiating minister, Pastor Arnold Flores. Church leader, Elias Rapal Jr. Decon Manito Alcantara Jr. Enrico Paclima, Ananiel Anla, Evangeline Alcantara, Elsie Pan, Veran